Hello guys and welcome to my channel. My name is Nwaezeedavid, and in this video I would like to walk you through how to form an LLC in the USA using BetterLegal. Now before I share my screen with you, I would like to point out that you can form an LLC in the USA from anywhere you are in the world as long as you have the right information and the right tools, which I'm going to be giving you in this video. So make sure you pay close attention. Follow my step-by-step tutorial, watch this video to the end so that you learn everything I did and also do the same for your own business. Alright, so if you're ready to register your business in America, go ahead and watch this video right now as I'm going to share my screen to show you how this is done. Let's go. Alright, so when you click on the link in the description of this video, you'll be taken straight to this page. Now the first thing you need to do when you get here is to enter the name that you want to register, the name of your business. So I'm going to enter media. Okay, this is the name I want to register for the business. Now the type of business is an LLC. If you want it to be an Inc., let's say what media Inc. Incorporation. Inc. means incorporation. If you want to select incorporation, select it. But I want to form an LLC, so I'm going to select LLC. Okay, then select the state. Select the state where you want to register your business. Now I have a Californian address. I have a California US address, so I'm going to select California. Now, if you have an address in the US that is not California, go ahead and select it. Okay, select it and then click on Start Your Business. Click on this button that says Start Your Business. It's going to create a form where you're going to start filling the details of your business and then eventually complete your registration. Okay, so the next form that's going to come up. Is this form where you're going to confirm the name that you selected with this one, then Nwaeze Media LLC. Where would you like to form your LLC? You selected California. Now, which industry best describes your business? I'll select the industry that describes your business. And I select business. I'm gonna select media. Yes, because Nwaezeedavid is a media company. Or why is a media? Because I'm selecting media. Okay, so just select the category that your business falls in. And once you've done that, scroll down and enter the details of the owners or operators. Now if the person registering this company is a business, maybe you already have a business and you want to register another business, and select this option that says business. But if it's an individual, you are the person that wants to register, go ahead and enter your name, your middle name, your last name, then your surface. What is it, junior, sir? No, just if you have a title that you want to add to your name, go ahead and add it. If you don't have, leave it blank. Then enter your email address, your street address. Now this street address has to be a USA address. Like I selected California before, I have a USA Californian address. Now if you don't have a USA virtual address, I'm going to leave a link in the description of this video where you can learn. It's a video where you learn how to open your own USA virtual address for free. So go ahead and watch that video, create your own virtual address and then enter it here. And once you've done that, you're going to scroll down and enter how many percent ownership does this person have. Now if maybe you are the person that owns the business, you are more than one. Let's say if you have 50% ownership, you can select 50% here and then you can select 50% and then enter click on enter another person's details, then enter 50% as well. Total will be 100. If it's 3, then you're going to share the percentage to accommodate all 3. But if you're the only person, meaning it's 100% ownership, then enter how much have you invested into your business. Now if you are just starting out, you have not entered any, you have not invested anything, just enter 0. But if you have entered, let's say you enter 5,000, you've already invested $5,000, you can enter it here. Okay, this will help evaluate your business. So once you've done that, okay, once you've done that, scroll down and click on this place that says registered agents. Now this is very important to have a registered agent and address. Now would you like BetterLegal to be your registered agent? Select yes, then scroll down to state compliance. Now would you like BetterLegal to handle your state compliance? Now leave this at yes as well. Select yes and click on continue. Now I'm gonna pause this video and click and fill these details, these personal details. Once I've finished it, I'll click on the button here that says continue to payment. Now this is just simple and straightforward, guys. Once you made the payment, as you can see up here, once you made the payment, you're gonna enter details of your EIN. Okay, the details of your EIN will contain your USA address. Okay, just contain your USA address, or it will contain your local address, whichever one is okay with you. So once you've done that, let me just pause this video right now and fill these details. Okay, all right, so I'll fill the details and then I'm gonna click on continue to payment. Now once you've done that, the page is gonna load up where you're going to make payments. You enter the payment details. Okay, so here we're gonna enter your payment details. You can see finalize your business registration. Now articles of organization, just toggle this. These are all the information you're paying for. You are getting an article of organization, you're getting your employer identification number, which is known as EIN or tax ID. You're gonna get operating agreements, a banking resolution, bonus forms. These are other forms you're going to do for free. Your website address, business checking accounts, tax analysis. These ones are all free. You're getting all these ones free included into your business. So go ahead and then what you need to do next is to, if you have maybe a special instruction you want to add to them, just enter it here. Enter any request you want them to handle for you, enter it here, then scroll down. Now these are optional add-ons. Here with registered agent that we entered before. These are the ones we selected earlier. The registered agent, state compliance, very, very important, guys. So what you need to do here is to select the yearly plan to save you money. Okay, select the yearly plan for the both of them. Now if you want to be paying monthly, you can select the monthly plan, but I suggest you leave it yearly so that you know that it's every year that you're going to be renewing, you're not paying every month. So select the year, then enter your card details, enter your card name, card number, expiry date, CVC, that's the 3-digit number at the back of the card. Enter it here and then click on I agree with terms of use, terms of service. Once you've done with that, click on submit payment. Now once your payment has been submitted, you'll be given another form to fill. The form will be for your IRS depending on the business you registered. Okay, so I'm not going to show you that part now because it depends on the business you're registering. So there's gonna give you a form to fill. Just enter your local address, your current country address. Let's say you are in Germany. You enter Germany address. You are in California. You are, say, in Ghana, in Nigeria, South Africa. You enter your current address. That will be for your EIN. So go ahead and fill those forms after you've made your payments, and also your dashboard will be created. Okay, you have a BetterLegal dashboard where you are going to monitor the progress of your business. Okay, once your business is registered, you'll be notified. You can log in and download the documents, or they'll also send you your details. They'll also send you the details of your business in your email. Okay, so you can now use those details to do things like register for PayPal, Stripe, etc. So that's it. That's how to register your business in the USA using BetterLegal. So there you have it, a step-by-step tutorial guide to help you form an LLC in the US, no matter the country you're from. Now, I would recommend that you take a chance with your business right now and make it a registered USA business by following my step-by-step guide that I just showed you in this video. Now, I've done something for you and I need you to do something for me in return. I need you to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel if you have not done so you don't miss out any update from me. Now, the link to BetterLegal sign up is in the description of this video, so go ahead right now and check it out, and I'll see you in the next video.